Students, how are you? Hope in good health. So again I'm here with you just with the next video about short tricks for qualitative salt analysis, which is a very important part of your practicals in 11th and 12th standard both. So what is qualitative analysis? Student, it means that any salt, if it is given to you, by just testing their physical and chemical properties, you can make out the presence of ions in that. That ion, it can be cation, it can be anion. So this technique, with the help of which you are analyzing the presence of iron, that is known as qualitative salt analysis, and these tests you can say that known as qualitative salt analysis. Okay, so आप इन टेस्ट की हेल्प से फिजिकल अपीयरेंस देखकर केमिकल टेस्ट कर कर आप ये पता लगाते हैं कि पर्टिकुलर जो सॉल्ट दिया है इस सॉल्ट में आपका कौन से ions, or you can say that which cation and anions are present. So let's start further. Now let's start the tricks for your salt analysis. Fine, here I have written cation and anion. Cation means that basic radical, anion means that acidic radical. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, जो कैटायन है वो आपके बेस में से आया है. सपोज NaOH है, NaOH में से जो N प्लस है वो आपके सॉल्ट में कैटायन की तरह कंट्रीब्यूट करेगा. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट H2SO4, तो उसमें से जो SO4 है एसिड में से वो आपके सॉल्ट में एनायन की तरह एक्ट करेगा. तो that's why we can say that cations, they are basic radicals, anions, they are acidic radicals. Now let's proceed. One more thing I want to say, whenever any salt it is given to you for analyzing, what you will do, always first test for your anions, then you proceed for your cations. You know what is the reason? Because few ions which are present if in your given salt, especially anions, they will interfere the test for your cations. ठीक है, तो इसलिए आप क्या करोगे, सबसे पहले आप अपने anions का टेस्ट करोगे, then you will proceed with your cations. So now see here, you have three categories for your test of anions. So firstly, with your dilute H2SO4, with your concentrated H2SO4, and one there would be your independent group. See, after adding in your test tube your original solution. How to make an original solution? You take your salt, add minimum amount of water, stir it with glass rod, it get dissolved. Nahi hua, heat it, it would be dissolved. Still not dissolved, what you will do? Add dilute HCl to it, it will get dissolved. Nahi hua, little heat, just do it, then definitely it will get dissolved. So in this manner you can prepare your original solution, and once you prepare your original solution, use it just again and again, because if you will make your solution again and again and again and again, so there would be a wastage of time. So once you prepare, then use it for your all the test. Okay, so now let's see. See, first you will do for your independent group. Now, what that is your SO4 sulfate. So, what you will take, that is your salt plus water. Okay, now what you will add BaCl to it. What will come, students? White precipitates. Okay, that is your original solution. Add BaCl to it. It will give you white precipitates. Up. Now what to do? Once white precipitates it has come, you add HCl to it. Okay, now that is your dilute HCl. What will happen? If your precipitates dissolve, then it is your SO3 minus. If your precipitates not dissolve, then it would be your SO4 minus. Is it clear? White precipitates, add little amount of your HCl. Precipitates dissolve, then it would be your SO3 minus. And if not, then it would be your SO4 minus. Hope it is clear to you. Okay, now let's proceed further, students. See here, take the original solution, add freshly prepared FeSO4. It would be present in your lab. आपके lab में होगा and it would be provided to you. Original solution plus FeSO4, freshly prepared, plus concentrated H2SO4. Just always be careful while adding concentrated, these kind of acids. Always try to add along the walls of the test tube. Firstly, take care of this and just keep the mouth of your test book a little away from it. So that would be also good. Okay, so once you have added, so what will happen, students? You can make out a black solution. Either you will get a ring, okay, that is you're familiar with that. That would be your brown colored ring. That would be your nitrate. If no brown colored ring it has come, black solution it has come, then you can say it is your nitrite. Hope it would be clear to you. This is your test with your FeSO4, freshly prepared FeSO4. Fine. Now again take your original solution, add AgNO3. It is very important test. ये डालने से आपको काफी सारे एनालिसिस का पता लग जाता है. With your concentrated H2SO4, only 2 or 3 drops, not more than that. अब क्या होगा? आपके 3 तरह के प्रेसिपिटेट्स आएंगे. एक व्हाइट, अगर व्हाइट प्रेसिपिटेट्स आ गया तो क्लोरीन है. पेल येलो प्रेसिपिटेट्स आ गया तो ब्रोमीन है. ओके, अगर still dark color precipitates, if dark color solution, then it would be your iodine. Clear white precipitates, chlorine. Pale yellow precipitates, bromine. Dark color, you can say that solution, then it would be of your iodine. Okay, now next, if these are your means these kind of ions, it has come in into your just given salt, so no need to proceed further. But agar nahi aaya, then what you will do, you take your original solution, add lead acetate paper. अब ये lead acetate paper कैसे बनाओगे, आपको ये लैब में बताया भी था, सिखाया था. Still I'll tell you, you take a filter paper, just tear one thin strip of it, then dip it in your acetate, okay, lead acetate solution. So it will, in this manner, your lead acetate paper, it is ready. Now later on what you will do, add dilute H2SO4 to it. Now what you will observe, students, that your paper, lead acetate paper, it turns black, or you will observe a black precipitate. It shows you a presence of sulfite, S-2. अगर नहीं, so another chance of brisk effervescence, that is of your carbonate. अगर ये नहीं होता है तो brisk effervescence आएंगी जो आपके कार्बोनेट का आपको it give you an indication. Okay, now if ये भी नहीं है, what you will do, you will take a salt on your palm, add little NaOH to it, water, vinegar like smell will come. It will give you a confirmation of your acetate. It will give you a confirmation of your acetate. आपको सल्फेट दिया जाता है, फॉस्फेट नहीं दिया जाता है. एग्जाम में कुछ एक्सेप्शंस हैं, which are means those salts, those ions are not provided to you in your salt. So don't worry about those things. Again I am telling you, see your preliminary tests, those are also important, but these are the tests with the help of which you can easily detect your ions in your given salt. Now we have seen a list of our anions. Now let's check out the list of our cations also. Now check out a test for cations. Students, you have a certain groups. According to those groups, you will make out the presence of your cation. Like your group 1, Pb plus 2, group 2, Pb plus 2, Cu, that is your plus 2, and your As plus 2. Hg plus 2, that is also present here in group 1, but that is not given to you in your lab. So no need to consider it. Group 3, that is Fe3 plus 3, Al3 plus. Group 4, CO, cobalt 2 plus, nickel, manganese and zinc. Then it comes to your group 5th, that is your barium, strontium, calcium. Group 6, magnesium, and you have 0 group also, that is your ammonium. Okay, now what you will do, again take your original solution. What you will do, add NH4OH2. अब क्या होगा, आपके precipitates form होंगे. अगर students blue precipitates form हुए, then you have got a presence of Cu plus. If white precipitates, you will get a formation of your As plus. And suppose, is it clear? You are not just getting the presence of these two. So what you will do, to the same solution, you will get, you add, that is your potassium ferrocyanide. Now what will happen? You will observe two kinds of precipitates. First one, that is your bluish white. It will give you a conformation of Zn plus 2. अगर वो नहीं, then you will get a deep blue color. It gives you a conformation of your Fe3 plus. Okay, so in this way, definitely you will get a presence of one or the other cation. If not, then you can proceed further. Now, what you will do? Original solution plus NH4OH plus TMG. ये आपके लैब में होगा और आपको ये डालोगे तो क्या रिजल्ट मिलेगा? रेड प्रेसिपिटेट्स. तो किसकी प्रेजेंस पता लग गई? निकल गई. And suppose it not, what you will do? Original solution plus NH4OH and now 2 or 3 drops of your blue litmus solution. Excess NH4OH should be added. Now what will happen, students? Here blue layer would be formed over your colorless solution. फ्लोट करेगी ये ब्लू कलर की लेयर आपके कलरलेस सोल्यूशन के ऊपर. मैंने यहाँ पर पिंकिश लिया है, बट इट शुड बी ब्लू कलर. ओके, नाउ इट विल जस्ट शो यू अ प्रेजेंस ऑफ Al plus 3. अगर ये नहीं है, अब क्या करोगे? अगेन टेक योर ओरिजिनल सोल्यूशन इन डिफरेंट टेस्ट ट्यूब्स. पहले दैट इज योर पोटेशियम क्रोमेट K2CrO4, वो डालोगे एंड यू विल अगेन गेट द ऑब्जर्वेशंस. येलो प्रेसिपिटेट्स आ गए तो आपके दो ग्रुप्स का आपको पता लग सकता है, Pb+2 एंड बेरियम Ba+2. अब क्या करोगे? येलो प्रेसिपिटेट्स आ गए. अब what you will do? Original solution plus Ki. Okay, now यहाँ से पता लग गया कि ये हो सकता है, लेकिन how to get the confirmation whether it is Pb+2 or Ba+2? So what you will do? Original solution plus Ki. Now if you will get yellow precipitates, it will give you a confirmation of Pb+2. No yellow precipitates, it gives a confirmation of Ba+2. Okay, now if these your cations, you will get confirmation about it, then you proceed with a confirmatory test. But अगर नहीं, तो then you have to proceed further. Original solution plus your NH4,2SO4. What you will get? White precipitates gives you a confirmation of strontium. ठीक है? अगर वो भी नहीं, ओरिजिनल सोल्यूशन प्लस योर अमोनियम ऑक्सलेट आपके लैब में होगा, वो डालो. अगेन यू विल गेट अ व्हाइट प्रेसिपिटेट्स गिव्स यू अ कंफर्मेशन ऑफ कैल्शियम. ठीक है, अगर ये भी नहीं आ रहा तो फिर आपका 0 ग्रुप का बाकी रहेगा, वो आपका NH4 प्लस. उसके लिए आपको क्या करना है? ओरिजिनल सोल्यूशन प्लस नेस्लर रिएजेंट प्लस डाइल्यूट HCl. इट गिव्स यू brown precipitates and give you a confirmation of NH4 plus. So students, these are very prescribed method, technique, you can say tricks for your salt analysis. Hope it would be useful to you. Still again I will say that you refer your content, whatever it is given in your manual, it is important for your viva also. But still when you go to your lab, try to practice with tricks also, so in exam with less time you can come to your results. So students, take care. Hope this video it would be useful to you. Please like it, share it, so it will motivate me to create more this kind of content. So take care students. Bye. God bless you.